Hello, I'm Tom Rowe from Hutchinson's. We're at the Cornwall trial site here today in the winter barley variety trials. This year we've got 16 different varieties with a combination of 2-row winter barleys and 6-row conventional and 6-row hybrid winter barley varieties. This year for the first time we're also having a look at a BYDV tolerant variety in Raffaella. It's one that's grown within the southwest, so we were keen to have a look at it. Interestingly though, this year there has been no BYDV on the site, so it'll be quite interesting to see how it performs on its own merits.
So here we are with a bit of an overview of the winter barley variety trials. In the foreground we've actually got some seed rate work on some King's Barn hybrid winter barley, and then beyond that we've got the winter barley varieties with treated on the right hand side and the untreated variety on the left. The treated plots are replicated 3 times to give us good statistical data hopefully. So this is the Raffaella winter barley, which is the BYDV tolerant variety. As you can see, it's very tall, it's got very big leaves on it as well, and it's pretty clean. It looks pretty promising, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs in terms of yield. Here immediately in front of us we have the funky winter barley, which is the conventional 6-row we've got here on the site. It's performed very well at the St Mabon site in the last few years, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs against the other varieties this year. Interesting though, you can see it is quite a bit shorter than the neighbouring 6-row hybrids next to it, and more akin to the 2-row barley varieties on the sort of other side. Here we're in front of some Valerie winter barley, which is a new variety on the recommended this year. I know that some people in the southwest are trialling it on their farm, so interesting to see it here at our trial site. It looks pretty respectable in relation to the other varieties, and here in the treated plots, fairly clean right the way down through the canopy. And here we're in front of some LG Flynn, quite a distinctive variety with the reddening on the tips of the awns. Doesn't look as tall, but then it is further behind and a bit later than the other varieties on the site. On farm it's been grown this year for the first time as it's come onto the recommended list. It's got quite promising data behind it in terms of yield and disease scores, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs on the local level and here at the trial site this year. And here we are in front of some KWS Cassia, the farm standard and favourite here in Cornwall and Devon. This year it has actually proven to be quite clean, quite a low disease pressure year, although this variety has got a little bit more disease in it than some of the other varieties on the site. Little bit of Rinco noticeable in the base of the crop.